Step aside, conventional trucking. Tesla's Semi is here to shatter expectations. Born from initial skepticism and engineered for excellence, this electric behemoth boasts a 500-mile range, can haul 36 tons effortlessly, and rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 20 seconds. And the innovation doesn't stop there. A revolutionary second-generation model teases mind-blowing features that promise to redefine the entire logistics landscape. Prepare to be captivated by a vehicle that not only outperforms diesel, but also rewrites the future of transportation. The Tesla Semi factory is progressing at an astonishing pace, possibly even ahead of schedule. Tesla is expected to ramp up production by mid-2026 and reach an annual capacity of 50,000 units by the end of the year. But with the way things are going, could they start even sooner? Recently, a construction progress video of Giga Semi provided by Zangler has revealed clear signs that work is accelerating, with the new factory now approximately 68% complete. The foundation area in the southwest corner is nearly finished, with the first rows of steel columns appearing, an obvious indication that the steel framework could be erected within the next few weeks. The stamping pit, one of the most complex sections, has been backfilled and compacted, signaling that Tesla is ready to build the surrounding factory structure. Additionally, the presence of large storage tanks raises many questions. Could Tesla Semi be switching to CATL prismatic batteries instead of the current 2170 cells? Or are these tanks related to another critical production process? Meanwhile, the drainage system is complete, parking lot fencing is being installed, and propane tanks have been strategically placed, likely to provide heating for the facility or to accelerate concrete curing. All signs point to Tesla ramping up progress at an incredible speed. When we say Tesla could produce a semi-truck in just 5 minutes, it sounds unbelievable, right? We found it hard to believe too, but they just might pull it off. We all know that semi-trucks, like most Class 8 trucks, require significantly more manual assembly compared to passenger cars or light-duty trucks. This is mainly due to their large size and high complexity, making full automation of the manufacturing process challenging. Additionally, Class 8 truck production volumes are much lower than passenger cars, usually only a few 100,000 units per year, making it less cost-effective to invest in a fully automated production line. More importantly, these trucks are often built to customer specifications, with custom configurations for engines or motors, transmissions, suspensions, and axle lengths. This requires a flexible assembly process that still relies heavily on human intervention. However, certain stages, such as frame welding, painting, and the installation of standardized components, are automated to ensure precision and production efficiency. So, how can Tesla possibly build a Semi every 5 minutes? All of this is made possible by the massive scale of Tesla's new factory combined with the existing Nevada facility. With this setup, achieving such production efficiency is entirely feasible. Elon Musk confidently stated that once the factory reaches full capacity, it could produce up to 50,000 trucks per year, an ambitious yet highly challenging goal. As we know, Giga Nevada not only manufactures the Semi, but also produces batteries on site, allowing Tesla to eliminate wait times for battery shipments from other factories. This advantage is particularly crucial in optimizing the assembly process for the big rig's battery pack. Furthermore, as we've pointed out many times, the Tesla Semi's electric motors and battery system have significantly fewer components compared to the complex diesel engines of traditional trucks. This simplification contributes to a drastically reduced assembly time. But let's break it down further. What does 50,000 trucks per year actually mean? That's over 135 trucks per day, more than 5 trucks per hour, or roughly 1 Tesla Semi completed every 10 to 15 minutes. And if Tesla continues to optimize production, the goal of completing a truck every 5 minutes may no longer be just a vision. It could become a reality. However, to truly conquer the market, Tesla needs to scale up even further. Looking at the bigger picture, in 2023, a total of 297,000 Class 8 trucks were sold in the US and Canada, with industry giants Kenworth and Peterbilt accounting for 190,000 of those. This means that while 50,000 trucks per year is an impressive milestone, Tesla would need to double its production to become a dominant force. Tesla is not just manufacturing a truck, they are redefining the trucking industry with the Semi, a cleaner, quieter, and lower-emission alternative. Major corporations like PepsiCo, Walmart, DHL, and Costco have already recognized this shift and are eager to add the Semi to their fleets. But Tesla isn't stopping there. the company is steadily moving closer to mass-producing the second-generation Semi. So far, most of the units produced have been first-generation prototypes, utilizing 2,170 battery cells, with only around 100 trucks delivered to customers. But this is just the beginning. Dan Priestley, head of Tesla Semi Engineering, has revealed that large-scale production of the next-generation model will commence as soon as Tesla gathers enough real-world data and expands its megacharger network. This suggests that the next-gen Semi could arrive as soon as next year, right when Tesla is poised to revolutionize truck manufacturing. We don't believe the Tesla Semi will use CATL batteries. While they are cheaper and could help lower the Semi's overall cost, CATL batteries simply don't offer the performance needed for the Tesla Semi. Some leaked reports suggest that the second-generation Tesla Semi will transition from using 2170 battery cells to the more advanced 4680 cells. This transition is aimed at bringing significant advantages in both performance and production costs, as the 4680 battery is Tesla's preferred choice for high-end electric vehicles that require strong performance and efficiency. As we know, the 4680 cell has a higher energy density, allowing for an extended driving range without increasing the number of battery cells, while also improving fast charging capabilities. Additionally, its tablish design reduces the number of components, simplifies the manufacturing process, and makes the Semi lighter, ultimately enhancing overall efficiency and performance. 4680 batteries will make the Tesla Semi Gen 2 more cost-competitive, extend its range, and enhance its operational efficiency, giving it a significant advantage over other electric trucks on the market. With an estimated completion rate of around 68%, the Giga Semi project is coming into clearer focus than ever. A massive 4 million square foot factory backed by a $3.6 billion investment. We believe that not only the Tesla Semi but also several other models will be produced at this facility, such as the Tesla Bus, minivan, or Tesla Motorhome. Why do we confidently state that Tesla Semi is a revolution? Certainly, it's not just about Tesla's production capabilities. What truly excites us are the groundbreaking features of this big rig, and more importantly, the unimaginable benefits it brings.
That we actually have a shortage of truck drivers in America. That's one of the limiting factors on transport. People are human, so they get tired, and sometimes, I have a lot of respect for truck drivers because it's a tough job. But because it's a tough job, there's not that many people that want to do it. There's more people leaving truck driving as a profession than entering it. Well, we're going to have a real logistics problem as time goes by. So autonomy will be very important to meet that need.
This is exactly what Elon Musk emphasized when discussing the importance of the upcoming full self-driving on the Semi. Musk acknowledged that the Tesla Semi would become even more superior once equipped with full self-driving, a feature that could be integrated into the big rig as early as the end of this year, coinciding with a significant ramp-up in Semi production. This is particularly crucial because the Tesla Semi is not just an electric truck. It is the world's first Class 8 truck capable of high-level autonomous operation, ushering in a new era for long-haul transportation. The possibility of a Class 8 truck, the largest, most powerful type of heavy-duty truck used for freight hauling, being equipped with full self-driving, will completely transform the logistics industry. Imagine a vehicle that can drive itself for most of the journey, reducing the burden on drivers, especially on routes spanning hundreds of miles, while drivers will still need to supervise and rest when necessary. Having autonomous driving assistance will help them stay alert, reduce fatigue, and enhance overall safety. The shortage of long-haul truck drivers is a serious issue, mainly due to harsh working conditions. Constant driving, exposure to engine noise, and the pressure of meeting delivery deadlines. Over the years, driver fatigue and drowsiness-related accidents have become a major concern, highlighting how challenging and risky this job is. Tesla is fully aware of this reality, which is why they are implementing full self-driving in the Tesla Semi, not just to improve safety, but also to make truck driving a significantly easier and more sustainable profession. When the Tesla Semi enters mass production and integrates full self-driving, drivers will no longer have to stay behind the wheel for the entire journey, an unprecedented feat for a Class 8 truck. On long-haul routes, the Semi can operate autonomously, allowing drivers to rest while still maintaining delivery schedules. This not only improves drivers' physical and mental well-being, but also enables a more efficient and seamless logistics industry. Of course, there will still be situations where driver intervention is necessary, such as navigating complex traffic conditions or parking in tight spaces. However, one of the biggest advantages of the Tesla Semi is its ability to operate continuously with minimal downtime, maximizing freight transportation efficiency. Once businesses realize that electric trucks not only offer significant cost savings, but are also easier to own, simpler to drive, more powerful, and accelerate faster than internal combustion engine trucks, there will be no turning back. It may sound unbelievable, but the Tesla Semi has already proven it. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that the Tesla Semi is not just an electric truck, it's a money machine for the transportation industry. When analyzing the economics, it's easy to see that the Semi far outperforms traditional diesel trucks, delivering massive cost savings for businesses. Back in 2017, when Tesla first unveiled the Semi, Musk stated that its operating cost was around 85 cents per mile, compared to $1.51 per mile for a diesel truck. While fuel and electricity prices fluctuate over time, one thing remains constant: the Tesla Semi's superior energy efficiency. It consistently maintains an energy consumption of just 1.6 to 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, a figure unmatched by any competitor. If you're wondering whether these numbers hold up in real-world conditions, major customers like PepsiCo, Costco, Walmart, DHL, and Saia have tested their Tesla Semis and confirmed an energy consumption of 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, exactly as Tesla claimed. With the average electricity rate in California, 1.7 kilowatt-hours costs about 30 cents per mile. This means that when the Semi travels 6.5 miles, the driver only has to pay around $3.30. Meanwhile, a diesel truck with an average fuel consumption of 1 gallon per 6.5 miles will cost about $3.66 at the current fuel price. This difference may seem small, but when multiplied by the hundreds of thousands of miles that trucks travel each year, the savings become enormous. Beyond fuel costs, one of the biggest advantages of the Tesla Semi is its minimalist yet highly efficient design. No more bulky internal combustion engine, no more complex transmission, and no more hundreds of moving parts prone to failure. Tesla Semi eliminates nearly every factor that requires constant maintenance in diesel trucks. Tesla estimates that the maintenance cost of the Semi is only about 10 cents per mile. If a driver covers 100,000 miles per year, the total maintenance cost over 5 years would be just $50,000. In contrast, a diesel truck has an average maintenance cost of 20 cents per mile, which amounts to $100,000 over 5 years, double the cost of the Tesla Semi. But cost is not the only factor. Diesel trucks are not only more expensive, but also require more maintenance time. From engine oil changes and exhaust system maintenance to repairs of numerous complex engine components, each maintenance session not only costs thousands of dollars, but also takes the truck off the road, causing major disruptions to the supply chain. With the Tesla Semi, businesses not only save money, but also minimize vehicle downtime, optimizing transportation operations. When looking at the bigger picture, the economic benefits of the Tesla Semi go beyond just fuel savings. It is set to revolutionize the long-haul trucking industry. This truck can climb a 10% grade at 60 miles per hour even when fully loaded, an unprecedented achievement for any semi-truck in the world. Meanwhile, traditional diesel trucks carrying heavy loads can typically only maintain speeds of around 30 miles per hour on highways, leading to congestion and significant fuel consumption. If they push beyond that speed, they risk tipping over at any moment. PepsiCo drivers who have experienced the Tesla Semi all affirm that they never want to go back to diesel trucks. The smooth, quiet operation without engine noise makes them feel more comfortable and reduces stress on the job. Many drivers at PepsiCo and other major transportation companies have said they want to stay in their current jobs simply because they have the opportunity to drive the Tesla Semi. This marks a significant shift in the long-haul trucking industry. Elon Musk has confirmed that the Tesla Semi will be distributed globally, ushering in a new era, one that significantly reduces emissions, minimizes noise pollution, and increases operational efficiency in urban areas. However, global expansion still faces certain barriers. For example, in Australia, current truck size regulations have prevented the Tesla Semi from being approved. While efforts are being made to push for legislative changes, this process could take several years. One of the Tesla Semi's greatest advantages is its regenerative braking system. Tesla claims that the truck can recover nearly all its energy when going downhill, optimizing its range. In fact, the amount of regenerated energy is nearly equivalent to the consumption during regular driving. This provides a huge advantage for drivers, who are limited to a maximum of 8 hours of driving per day. With its current range, the Tesla Semi fully meets the needs of most transportation companies. Moreover, with the development of next-generation 4680 battery cells, which offer higher energy density, the range of the Tesla Semi will undoubtedly increase in the near future, making diesel trucks a thing of the past. We can think of 600 miles in the Semi's next version. The Tesla Semi is more than a breakthrough in trucking. It's a visionary leap into a cleaner, smarter future. With its unparalleled efficiency, rapid production techniques, and advanced autonomous capabilities, this electric titan is set to transform how goods move across our roads. As diesel fades into history, now is the time to join the revolution. Ready to stay ahead of the curve? Subscribe for exclusive updates, deep dives, and insights into how Tesla's innovations are driving the future of freight and our world.